Alright, kindergarten, so now it's time for us to start drawing our hexagons and our octagon. So we're actually going to make a sheet of paper that looks just like this, and I'm going to show you how to get started with that. So we're going to take our piece of paper, and we are going to fold it in a hamburger fold. So remember, a hamburger's short, and a hot dog fold is long and skinny, so we want this one to be shorter. And on the top, I'm going to label it Octagon. And then on the other side, I'm going to label it Hexagon. And remember, an octagon is just like an octopus, and it has how many sides? It has 8 sides. So when we were starting to draw our octagons, we started out with what sheet of paper? We started out with a square. So I'm going to draw a square. And remember, a square is even on all 4 sides. And then to make that octagon, all we had to do was cut off the corners, like we were starting to do big chip, little chip. And so if I look at that shape now that we've created, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So then we can try to do it again. We can maybe draw a smaller square and cut off the corners. And I want you to keep doing this a couple different times. You can draw different sizes, but just keep it on that octagon side. And then I want you to try to draw it on your own. So going up, over, over, down, all the way down, over just a little bit, across, over, and then have it meet up at the very end. So you are left with an octagon. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a hexagon. And a hexagon, what shape did we start out with? We started out with a rectangle, remembering that a rectangle is longer on one side and shorter on the other side. And then we folded it in half, and I'm going to represent that fold with these dashed lines. So then we cut off the corners, making a triangle over here from the middle and then down, from the middle up, and from the middle down. And now we have a hexagon. And a hexagon is a shape that has how many sides? It has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, we're going to practice drawing that same thing down here. And then you're going to try to draw it again at the end on your own. Alright guys, so this is what we're working on. If you have any questions, let me know. But we're trying to draw an octagon and a hexagon. So remember, octagon has 8 sides, hexagon has 6.